Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be discussing a common question among web creators, and that is how to transfer your website from Wix to Editor X. Whether you're looking for a more advanced design capabilities or other features, this video will guide you through the whole process. We've got you covered, but before we jump into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, it now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below, and do not forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and we are grateful for your continued support. Now, before we transfer your website from Wix to Editor X, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com and EditorX.com is compatible to all any types of browsers. I'm using Google Chrome, so if you're using Safari, Edge, it does not matter. So you go to EditorX. If you don't have one, sign up, create your account. That's free. It's simple and super fast. Once you've created that account, log in with your credentials. The same thing with Wix.com. You might want to go to Wix.com, create your account, log in with your credentials, and once both accounts are set up, all you gotta do is simply go to the dashboard, all right here, okay? So go here to my sites, go to your sites, and there will be an option here, okay? Let's say, for example, this one. You see here, rebuild editor, okay? So when you click that rebuild an editor, you will be then forwarded to the editor X itself, okay? Now, before you continue, okay, transferring a website from Wix to Editor X can have a lot of advantages for your business, okay? Okay, number one, Editor X offers more advanced design tools and features compared to the standard Wix editor. This includes enhanced grid layouts, responsive design control, and pixel perfect precision for designing intricate layouts and animations. All right. Also, Editor X allows you to insert custom code, making it more suitable for complex web development projects and integration of third party services such as APIs and other plugins. It is also designed for more extensive and scalable projects, making it an excellent choice for businesses and websites with future growth in mind. And if you have large website with numerous pages, Editor X can manage content more effectively, providing a better user experience for site administrators and visitors. And number two option is when you go to your Wix web to your dashboard. No, let's go to Wix. Go to Wix first, okay? Now, when you go to your Wix dashboard, also you might wanna ensure that the Wix, although it often provides assistance and resources for users looking to transfer from Wix to Editor X, it will make the process smoother and more accessible. Okay, and it's important to note that while Editor X offers advanced capabilities, it may have a steeper learning curve than the standard Wix editor. Therefore, the decision to transfer should be based on your specific web design and development needs. If you're looking for a greater design freedom, scalability, and advanced features, Editor X can be an excellent choice to take your website to the next level. But if you're just starting up in a small business, you might want to go back to Wix Editor first and try to be more comfortable. And as you go along it, you can always transfer your website to Editor X. It's as simple as that, okay? And also, the Editor X Marketplace provides access to a variety of design assets, code components, and plugins that can enhance your website's functionality and designs. And also, it has like code export, version history, and access control, making it suitable for teams and agencies. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe for more of our future contents. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.